Okay, good day everybody. Mike here. Got another little entry into Blade Friday. This is another Leatherman folding tool that I have. And this one happens to be a Leatherman Wave. Take a look at some specs here on it. Fold it up, looks long, and 3/4 of an inch wide. It's got the standard needle nose pliers with the wire cutter that we've all kind of come to expect. And this one has, let's see, one real nice slim straight blade, and opposite from that we have a little saw, and I'm not sure what this little divot on the end is for. And then on the other side we have a serrated blade, and the blades look like they're about 3 inches long. And then opposite from the serrated blade we have a file with what looks like 2 safe edges and 2 file edges. Same thing, I'm not really sure what that little, I guess that divot's just for your thumbnail to pull it open. Anyway, and then on the inside, okay, extended length on this, fully open, 6 3/8. This side we have large flathead screwdriver, small Phillips, and bottle opener, can opener. And then on this side we have extra small flathead screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, medium flathead screwdriver, and actually a pretty good pair of scissors, which if you're a fisherman or something like that, they're handy for that. All folds up nice and neat, just like Leatherman should. The nice thing about these Leatherman is that they're rock solid as far as the warranty goes. You just can't beat them. I've had many customers over the years that bought them even broken, so they could just send them back and have them completely replaced or repaired. Now this one has an old Leatherman sheath, which I don't know if it originally came with. Probably not. Just a fixed belt loop on the back, and it's actually not a bad size compared to the one I showed you previously, which was the Leatherman Surge, which is a considerably bigger, multi-tool in a much more complex and quite a bit bigger sheath that I showed you previously. Okay, so that's it. That's my entry for Blade Friday. I hope you're all having a good day. We'll see you again. Mike out.